So moving down the 3D modelling operations down from extrude into revolve, here are some details of the revolve operation. Essentially we're taking a sketch here and we're revolving it around an axis by a particular angle in order to form a 3D body. So here we can see the options in the details view. We select the geometry, in this case it's sketch 1. We can see the example here, which is this yellow sketch, which is the base object for the extrusion, or the revolve in this case, extrusion around an axis. We're selecting the axis around which the revolve is going to occur. So here we're selecting the axis which is part of this plane definition. And finally we're selecting an angle through which the revolve is going to occur. So here we can see the chosen entities which are needed in order to define the revolve, and the result on the lower right hand side that gives us this 3D revolved body. The sweep feature is the next item down the list, the third item, and allows us to define two sketches. The first sketch being the profile sketch, or the base object for the sweep, and the second sketch being the path along which the first sketch is pulled in order to create the 3D body. So here we can see this sketch here, and we identify the profile. So here on the right hand side here we see sketch 1 and sketch 2 identified as the profile and the path respectively, and it results in this body once it's pulled along the path. One of the options for sweeping is the alignment, and it allows for a path tangent or global axes. The path tangent reorients the profile to keep its orientation consistent, and this can be seen here with this path tangent, where it's consistent in terms of its relative position to the path. We can also use the global axis for profile orientation, so it remains fixed regardless of the shape of the path. So here we can see the effect of the global axis on the same example being set here for alignment. Under the details view for sweep, we can also see an option for twist specification, and we can have an option here for sweep with twist in order to twist the geometry around in a particular way. So we can opt for no twist, which is a default, but we can specify number of turns to complete over the particular path length, and we can also specify the length per one full turn in terms of the pitch as well. So we can see the different options available here for, in this case, the number of turns. We have on this helix or spring coil, we have 1, 2, 3 turns available, and then on this 4 meter twisted example, we're specifying 0.25 as number of turns and 16 meters as the pitch. Following